We have already discussed about rational numbers and the first property, that is closure property for rational numbers. In this video, we will discuss a commutative property for rational numbers. We will discuss this property in 4 operations: addition, subtractions, multiplication and division. At first, what is commutative property? A binary operation is commutative if changing the order of operands does not change the result. It means if we do A plus B and if we do B plus A, we will get the same value. That time we say that addition is commutative. That is binary operation. A binary operation is commutative if changing the order of operands does not change the result. So we say that addition is commutative. We are choosing binary operation, here is addition. So we say that addition is commutative. Okay. In this video, we will discuss a commutative property for rational numbers in 4 operations, that is addition, then subtractions and multiplication, then division. At first, we will discuss in addition. Commutative property of addition. Property of addition. If the position of two rational numbers is interchanged, if the position of two rational numbers is interchanged for addition, that does not change the result. It means the result remains constant, remains same. Sorry, constant not. If the position of two rational numbers for addition, two rational numbers is interchanged for addition, the result remains same. That time we say that addition is commutative for rational number. I am taking one example for understand this concept. Let us suppose that it means A plus B is equals to A, B plus A. I am taking A is equals to 1 by 4 and the value of B is equals to 1 by 2. If we do A plus B, what we will get? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. It means 4, 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3 by 4. Now if we do B plus A, so what we will get? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. It means 4, 2 plus 1, what we will get? 3 by 4. The value of A plus B is equals to 3 by 4 and the value of B plus C is equals to 3 by 4. A plus B is equals to have B plus A. So we say that addition is commutative for rational number. What we say? I am taking another example. Let the value of A is equals to 1 by 4 and the value of B is equals to 3 by 4. If we do A plus B, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, so what we will get? 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 by 4. Now we will do B plus A, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It means 4 by 4. The value of A plus B is equals to 4 by 4. Value of B is equals to 4 by 4. So then we see that addition is commutative for rational numbers. Now we will discuss commutative property of subtraction for rational numbers. If the position of two rational numbers is interchange for subtraction. The result doesn't remain same. That time we say subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. For understanding these concepts, I take one example. It means the value of a minus b is does not equals to the value of b minus a. Example, if the value of a is equals to 5 by 4 and the value of b is equals to 7 by 4. If we do a minus b, 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4, what we will get? Minus 2 by 4. And if we do b minus a, the value of 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, we will get 2 by 4. At first we will do a minus b. So we will put the value of a first. The value of a is equals to 5 by 4. 5 by 4, but the value of b is equals to 7 by 4. 7 by 4. We subtract. Then what we will get? Minus 2 by 4. And we got the value of a minus b is equals to minus 2 by 4. Now we will do b minus a. What is the value of b? 7 by 4. What is the value of a? 5 by 4. We will subtract 7 by 4, 5 by 4. Then what we will get? 2 by 4. A minus b is equals to minus 2 by 4 and the b minus a is equals to 2 by 4. A minus b is does not equals to minus b by a. So we say that subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Now we will take another example for understanding this concept. Now I am putting the value of a 1 by 5, 10 by 5. At first I will do a minus b. So हम a की वैल्यू सबसे पहले रखेंगे, फिर b की वैल्यू. Now we will subtract 1 minus 10. Then what we will get? Minus 9 by 5. Now we will do b minus a. At first we will put the value of b, then a. If we subtract this, what we will get? 9 by 5. It means a minus b does not equals to b minus a. The value of a minus 9 by 5. The value of b is equals to 9 by 5. Both the values are not equal. So we say that subtraction is not commutative for rational number. Now we will discuss commutative property of multiplication for rational numbers. Multiplication. If the position of two rational numbers is interchange for multiplication, the result remains same. It means is equals to b multiplied with a. So we say that multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. For understanding this concept, I take one example. We will do value of a is equals to 1 by 4, value of b is equals to 5 by 3. If we multiply a multiply with b, so what we will get? We will get 5 by 12. Now we will do b multiply with a, then what we will get? 5 by 12. It means a multiplied with b is equals to b multiplied with a. 5 by 12 is equals to 5 by 12. So we say that multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Now I am taking another example for understanding this concept. Let us suppose that the value of a is equals to 1 by 9, value of b is equals to 2 by 5. If we multiply a multiplied with b, so at first we will put the value of a, then b. So what we will get? 2 by 45. Now we will do b multiplied with a. So what is the value of b? 2 by 5. What is the value of a? 1 by 9. What we will get? 2 by 45. It means both the values are same. So we say that multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Now we will discuss commutative property of division for rational numbers. In this property, if we do, that will not same. It means a divided b does not equals to b divided by a. If the position of two rational numbers are interchanged for division, the result doesn't same. So we say that division is not commutative for the rational numbers. I am taking one example. A is equals to 1 by 4, b is equals to 5 by 9. If we do a divided by b, so 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 9. So what we will get? 9 by 5. It means 9 by 20. 1 by 4 is divided by 5 by 9. 1 by 4 multiply with 9 by 5. What we will get? 9 by 20. Now we will do b divided by a. At first we will put the value of b. Five by 9, 4 by 1, 20 by 9. It means a upon b does not equals to b upon a. So we say that division is not commutative for rational numbers. I am taking another example for understanding this concept. If 3 by 5, b is equals to 1 by 4. Now we will do a upon b. 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 4. What we will get? 3 by 5, 12 by 5. Now we will do b divided by a. 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 5 by 3, 5 by 12. It means at first we will do a upon b. We will put the value first. 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 4. We are getting 12 by 5. If we do b divided by a, we will put the values of a first. 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 5, we are getting 5 by 12. Both the values are not same. It means 12 by 5 is just not equals to 5 by 12. So we see that division is not commutative for rational numbers. I think ये concepts आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. If you have any query regarding to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.